Bismillah wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. My respectable teachers and my dear fellow brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will like to speak on the topic Muhammad the solution. I wish I had a time machine. I would assure everybody here in this session to our destination. You and I would time travel back into the beginning of civilization, passing by Adam teaching his children the ways of cultivation, by Noah, Moses, Abraham, Jesus Christ alayhi salam, each yearning for salvation, by Plato, Aristotle, Socrates, all the philosophers, the scholars, the scientists, the physicians, trying to solve the problems of their nations, but failing to present the final solution. But if only I had a time machine, I would show you that it was not a fairy tale, that in spite of being a ruler, he was eating, drinking, walking, talking, sleeping and dressing like a common man. I wish I could convince you that for every problem Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the only solution. Yes, my dear brothers, back then Muhammad was the only solution to all the political, social, economical, judicial, spiritual and ethical problems. He is the only one who transformed the bloody enemies into loyal companions, the savage looters into faithful leaders. Justice or power, injustice, compassion, concord, brutality, altruism, defeated egocentrism, and righteousness dominated evils. Allah declared, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ, and we have not sent you but as mercy to the world. Logically speaking, if followed intelligently, Muhammad can be the solution to the present day issues as well. Let me give you just one example. According to our website, the Borgen Project, poverty is the most burning issue of today. More than 70% of the people own roughly 3% of total wealth in the world. Muhammad had the solution. Only paying 2.5% zakah of your wealth can eradicate poverty from the whole world. And this is why George Bernard Shaw, an Irish playwright and political activist, says, if a man like Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam were to assume the dictatorship and leadership of the modern world, if a man like Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam were to assume the dictatorship and leadership of the modern world, he would succeed in solving all its problems. In a nutshell, I invite all the humanity to follow him if you are seeking salvation, because Muhammad is the only solution. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينَ.